I didn't even shoot him. You guys see this?
The fucking dropped him.
Yeah, you do. What's the stability on this square? Like 2%?
8.
Nobody walk on that square.
Nobody.
Stay off the roof. We're gonna make plays. A clan's gonna come over and climb on our roof, and it's gonna cave in and kill them. Oh!
I need you. I'm over
Yo, dude,
here.
I love that. Though.
Run! Run towards me! Run towards me!
Why did you throw a grenade at me?
I thought it would be funny.
I just fell off a fucking building and he threw a grenade at me.
Oh shit! I see 2 guys. They're right in front of me. They're coming from like 155.
Careful, Riley. They could be coming towards us.
I lost sight of them. Oh god, they are right in front of me. One's dead. AK's dead. AK's dead. Run up. It's right in front of me. The other guy's hurt so bad. If somebody can pick me up, or grab the AK right in front of me.
He's dead.
Yes, dude. Somebody pick me up. There's an AK at my feet. Holy shit. I also can't see. Bolty. I got Bolty.
Just loot and run.
I need to find the AK.
I found it.
You found it?
It's on the ground.
Okay, fuck that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Did we get all of their gear?
Yeah, bro. I finally made a play. Let's go.
Ow!
Is that just outside?
No.
Yeah.
That's a water thingy.
Killed him.
Killed the guy?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. He had an AK, so.
Watch out for more.
Got the AK.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Just keep grabbing these hits, bro.
Yep, I'm running back.
Sorry.
I'm gonna quit the AK.
That's the only new one.
The other AK is back in base. AK and another full heavy set. And a fucking M9 too. Sick.
No, dude, it's wedged. This shit's wedged.
We are stuck here.
Oh, let's just run to fucking supermarket. Oh god. Come on, balloon. Please.
That's for magic.
Oh my god. Oh no, no, no,
No, no, no.
That's stuck again. Oh wait, we're rolling off.
It's coming out.
We're good. Yank it. Gas
What the
it. Gas
fuck?
it.
Wait,
Boys.
wait.
I'm so glad the
Imagine
server's
someone's
dead.
just scoped in looking at this shit. I love it.
Then I'm gonna start shooting. They're just laughing
Dude,
at
I
us.
wouldn't shoot. I wouldn't shoot at him. I'd be like, what the fuck? Where are you, Riley?
At the balloon.
What?
At the balloon.
We're in a balloon right now.
Oh, there's another balloon.
Wait, what?
That's not the balloon we came in.
Oh, okay. Let's go to that one then.
Look,
Bruh.
look over the dome from right here. See the balloon. Right here. You can
I'm glad we tried to hide the hot air balloon in a bush.
My genius idea is, right, once we unveil that Papa John says balloon delivery, we pull up to someone with the balloon delivery, right?
Yeah.
Little do they know, we are Papa John.
It turns out that taking down the Papa John's balloon is harder than a helicopter. Everyone on there just has fucking LMGs and heavy plate armor and just fucking killing everyone. If people hide in their base, you shoot a fucking rocket at them. You're fucking playing tacky on.
No shit, I'm feeling it! Take it on! Hell yeah, fuck yeah, I feel like killing it! Take it!
That's right.
Alpha, what the fuck are you wearing?